Have you ever wondered if you've grown spiritually? It's often a quiet journey, moving just beneath the surface, almost imperceptibly shaping who we are. Spiritual advancement doesn't come with a clear sign or fanfare. Rather, it unfolds like the gentle opening of a flower, slowly and steadily. Yet there are subtle shifts, signs of quiet evolution, revealing this inner transformation. These signs may go unnoticed by those caught in the noise of everyday life, but to the spiritually mature, they're unmistakable. One of the first signs of spiritual growth is how you listen. Instead of listening with the intent to reply or interject your own judgments, you begin to listen with deep presence, offering your full attention without expectations. People are drawn to you because they can sense your genuine interest and feel safe, seen, and heard in your presence. This change isn't just a new way of interacting. It's a reflection of internal transformation. You start to recognize the wisdom in silence, realizing that sometimes just allowing someone to be heard is the most profound act of connection. As this alignment within deepens, you may find yourself speaking with clarity and insight that surprises even you. You may wonder where this wisdom comes from, as it doesn't come from books or formal learning, but from a place of inner attunement. When you're in tune with a greater intelligence, wisdom flows effortlessly. Kindness, too, becomes effortless, no longer rooted in transaction or expectation, but in compassion. You help others without keeping score or needing recognition. Your kindness is selfless. It's simply who you are. Another profound sign of growth is your capacity for forgiveness. Rather than holding on to past hurts, you let go, recognizing that clinging to bitterness only hurts you. Spiritual maturity allows you to release pain and embrace the present moment, knowing that every experience, no matter how painful, has contributed to your growth. This frees you to move forward with a sense of peace, unburdened by resentment, and this inner calmness radiates outward, bringing comfort and joy to those around you. People may find themselves lighter and more at ease in your presence without knowing why. This growth can set you apart too, as you find yourself no longer fitting neatly into society's molds. You're no longer driven by the same motivations or bound by the need for external validation. Others may see you as unconventional or even odd because you don't fit into their expectations. But this is a sign of your maturity. You're complete within yourself, free from the need for approval, and this independence is deeply liberating. You've let go of the chains of attachment, judgment, and criticism, allowing yourself to live authentically. Perhaps the most profound sign of spiritual advancement is a heightened self-awareness. You no longer look outward to define yourself or to seek validation. Instead, you're guided by your inner truth, living with purpose and clarity in a world where so many are searching to fill a void. Spiritual advancement isn't about achieving some grand enlightenment. It's about finding peace in chaos, living aligned with your true self, and allowing life to flow without resistance. In the end, spiritual growth is a subtle yet powerful evolution. If you're still with me, share in the comments what resonated with you or what you'd like to add to the discussion. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and as always, I wish you a beautiful day.